Okay, so now you know that we're going to Lagos, Nigeria this year. We need now to form you farmers in Lagos where we could arrange a meeting while we're still here in Asia so that we could finalize the structure of what we're going to do there in Lagos. So before I start, for those who are not living in Lagos, who are farmers in other provinces in Nigeria, we will still proceed with you, the cassava farmers, the cocoa farmers, and whatever. However, we want to launch quickly. That's the reason why we want to start first in Lagos, whether it's one of the crop farmers in Lagos, and then start from there. Because we're not gonna stay that long in Nigeria. Probably a week is substantial enough to start and launch a project, a pilot project, and then we scale, we add more infrastructure, funding, and we expand. But yeah, that's the idea. So, for those who are farmers in Lagos, living and doing business, agricultural business in Lagos, I want you to email me. I'm gonna send my email details below, as well as you can find my email in my bio. So make sure, because I've been receiving a lot of messages and email, make sure that you put in the subject title Lagos. So once I see that, I'll pay more attention to it and I will form a group of farmers so that we can start from you. And it doesn't matter if you are a tomato farmer, a chili farmer, herbs farmer, it doesn't really matter. What matters is you are located in Lagos, where we can easily go from our hotel and then take a ride going there to your place. Compared to other provinces in Nigeria, 7 days is not too long, so we need to do a quick launch for 1 week, and then before we leave Nigeria, we already have started a project. Okay? So again, farmers in other countries, we're still gonna proceed, but we're just gonna start with the farmers in Lagos, and then we will go from there. Okay, so farmers in Lagos, send me an email. Make sure that the subject of the email is Lagos, so I can pay more attention to it, and then we will form an alliance of farmers so that we can start a project.